Hey everyone, welcome. Shreesha here. I'm super excited to unbox the new Dyson Airwrap. This is the new model and this is how it looks. I have picked the blue color. This costs around 600 USD. The Dyson Airwrap styler has intelligent heat control that does not go beyond 150 degrees Celsius. It attracts and wraps hair using only air. This is the main body of the Airwrap. It has three buttons to it. The center one is the on and off, and it has the cool shot also. On the right side it has three temperature settings. On the left side it has three speed settings. You also get a button to lock and unlock the different attachments that it comes with. You can individually buy the attachments too. The first attachment that we have is the 30 air wrap barrel. Earlier we used to get two of these, but in this model you get only one and you can change the direction. This is engineered to create voluminous curls and waves. Next we have soft smoothing brush. This is engineered to gently align and smoothen the fine hair. Next we have firm smoothing brush. This is engineered to remove the frizz. And we have a dryer, and this also tames the flyaways, so this is a two-in-one attachment. I am in love with this. If you guys want to see a detailed review and how to use this, do let me know in the comment section. Next we have round volumizing brush. This is engineered to volumize and shape fine flat hair. This is 40 air wrap barrel. This is engineered to create soft natural curls or the beach wave curls. Ensure that your hair is damp, like 80% dry. Use the right attachment as per your hair type and style of your choice. While using the barrels, make sure that you switch off the machine to drop the curls, and it is must to give the cold shot. So that's the unboxing of a new Dyson Airwrap. Do let me know what are your thoughts. And if you guys want to see how I style my hair using the Dyson, all you need to do is just comment. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye. Take care.